Then write S16. And we have output, so we can check the output. So A is 10, so Y4. A checked, so Y3. B, Y6. Then Y5. The gripper, Y7. Rotate clockwise, Y14. Then Y15. Then green, yellow, red. Green, yellow, red. So Y10, Y11, Y12. Okay, I think it's very, very easy for you. You just fill in the content from the I/O table. And then when you finish the table, then you can like this. Okay, so you can put the element, the symbol. Okay, so because we have the 3 input symbol, and then we can connect. Okay, output. Okay, so I think it's very, very easy. Okay, so we have 3 devices, then we can connect them. Okay, so this is the answer. So if like this, so we can use the symbol S11, and then the symbol S14, then S15. Then we have output Y12. And then we can connect them. Okay, joy wire, horizontal wire. Okay, so I think it's very, very easy. Okay, so the first step, you must find the I/O table and then fill in the answer. Okay, here, and then you can connect all the symbols. Okay, this is the part 1, the manual operation. You must design a program to meet the requirement of the manual operation. And then next, like this. Okay. The same, you must use I/O table to fill in. So A is 10, Y14. So the output, because it's output, Y14, Y4, then A, Y3, then B, Y6, then B recheck, Y5, then gripper, Y7, because you can find we close the gripper and must delay 1 second. So you must how to define 1 second. The timer, you must know the timer. The timer in the PLC, 1 unit be equal to 0.1 second, 100 milliseconds. So if you want to delay 1 second, so you need 10 units. So that's mean. Okay, then that's mean 1 second. So you must delay. You must know how to use the timer. Because this is the step 5, so we use T5. If the step 6, we use the T6. Because we want to delay 1 second, so we must give the number and rotate clockwise. Clockwise, Y14. And then delay. Because this is step 6, so we use the timer 6. K10. And then Y. Y15. Because the step 7, so timer 7, K10. Then green, yellow, red. Okay, so we can the red, because we have red, and we have a timer. Okay, so because step 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have the timer 5, timer 6, timer 7, timer 8, timer 9, timer 10. And then we must define the condition. That means the PLC have finalized its operation, so he can transfer his control to the next step. So you must how to define the condition. What is the condition? The condition in our I/O table. A is 10, so we use A is 10. A retract. B is 10. B retract. And because the gripper or the motor or the light have no sensor to detect, so we must use the timer to make sure it's finalized, its operation. So in the same way, you can look, check, find the A. So this S2, A retract. This is the sensor, okay, the sensor item. And B, S4, B retract, S3. And because gripper, motor, or light have no sensor, so we use the timer. So if timer delay 1 second, then he can change his control to the next step. So T5, so we just copy and paste T5, T6, T7, T8, T9, T10. Okay, and then we want to design the program according to the table. Because we have 10 steps, so we have we have 10 rectangle. Okay. And you can find, we use the PB1, the push button, name PB1. When you push the push button PB1, we can start the operation. So you need a trigger. So like this. Okay, we have a trigger. Okay, this is the trigger, PB1. Find the PB1. So you must the input from the I/O table PB1 S10. So PB1 S10. Okay, and then this S1, S2, S3, S4. S5. S6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then S1, the first, you must copy and use the copy and paste method. Output, copy the output, and then paste in the right side. Okay. So like this, you can copy and then paste in the right. Okay, copy, then paste in the right. Copy, then paste in the right. Copy, then paste in the right. Copy, paste in the right. And because we have a timer, so copy again. Copy and then paste. Step 10. Step 10. A time. So we can copy and paste. Copy. Copy. Oh. Copy. And then paste. Copy and paste. Okay, so I think it's very, very easy. And then this your program like this. Okay, so we have we have the output. Then we must check the condition. What kind of condition can change the control to the next step? So this is our condition. Okay. So you can the same copy and paste. However, the first you must connect them. Okay. Then connect. This is a flow chart. Okay, so you have find your flow chart, and then next the symbol. Okay, copy and paste. S2 here. Okay, and because we have a condition, so like this. So S17, S4, S3, T5. Okay, so the flow chart is written by the by the table. Okay, so this is a condition, and T5, T6, T7, T8, T9, T10. Okay, so when you design your program for the automatic operation, you must fill in the table, and then you must design the flow chart. The final step, you must design the ladder program. So you must know this. The rectangle SM. So you must use STL as number. Okay. And then the output copy here. And then you must rotate like this. Okay. SM, M, that means the number. For example, number 1, number 2, number 3. So we can find, I duplicate. Okay. So S1 is S1. Okay, S1. S1, S2, S3. So you can find S1, S2, okay, S3. And then copy and paste Y4. Okay, this Y4, Y3, Y6. So Y4, Y3, Y6. And then you must change your control to the next step. So this S2, so here, S2. So this S2 here, S2. And then S17, S17, then S4, S4. Okay, and because S1 changed the control to the S2, so you can find this S2, then S3, then S4. Okay, so you must design. You can design your program. Okay, any question? So now your turn. Okay, you must finish your exercise test. Okay, every student have a different question file, so you must download your file, and the file name is your student number and your name. Okay, I think it's very easy. I hope I can understand what you are learning. Okay, from your upload file. Okay, so now your turn. Okay, you must finish. Every student can download your file name. So everyone here.